Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp group step by step. To do this, you have just to go to WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app and click on the green icon on the bottom right of the screen. And here you have just to click on new group. First of all, you will choose who do you want to add to this group. For example, I will choose this account and click on the green icon. And here you can put the group name. I will call it test. And after that, you can add also the picture of the group here. And you can choose to use your camera, gallery, emoji, and stickers. For example, I will use this sticker and confirm. And after that, you click again on the green icon on the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see, your group is created. I will send a message on the group. And as you can see, the group is now active and available, and you can add more members to your group. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.